Hello friends, welcome all of you to my channel S&P Power Vision. In the first video we learn about what is Power BI. In the second video we learn about how to download and install Power BI here. So for that come to the Google Chrome or you can take any other browser based on your comfortable. So click on the Power BI desktop. Here we'll get this website powerbi.microsoft.com or download Power BI desktop from official website. So you can select anyone. Now if we can see here Power BI desktop, select language English, click on the download here. Now we'll see here two options, Power BI desktop setup exe, Power BI desktop setup underscore x64.exe. If your system is like 64-bit, you should have select this one 64-bit. And also you can select this one also based on the your system compatible here. So here I'll select this one and click on download. Since it's already downloaded on my system, so I will not do it. So click on download it here. Once it is downloaded, just go and install it. Once the installation is done, you will get this icon in your system here. This icon Power BI desktop here. So you have to click here, also it start. So this is the entire process to download and install the Power BI.